In this video, we'll show you how to create a simple purchase request with workflow for JotForm. You can use email as your preferred method of communication. You can quickly connect your new action to your JotForm account, select your JotForm, and choose the variables you would like to use in your action. Select the requester email address variables so this action is dynamic and can be repeated by several requesters over time. Designate the default approver and begin customizing the initial request, as well as the look and feel of what you would like your message to look like. Finally, you can choose an action to trigger once this action completes. To wrap up your new workflow, simply open up your JotForm settings, select Integrations, and paste in the newly created webhook for your action. Publish your JotForm, and now it's set up to trigger a purchase request workflow whenever submitted. Add workflow to your JotForms today with Workflow for JotForm, powered by ProcessMaker.